Hey guys, welcome back. These chocolate lollipops are perfect for all occasions. You can use them as garnish for cakes or ice creams, little treats, or for anything else. It is such a quick and easy recipe, and the best thing is you have the freedom to decorate it with whatever you like. So let's get cooking. To make the chocolate lollipop, we have to start first with melting the chocolate. Now I have got dark chocolate here, which is also quite bitter. But you can use a milk chocolate, you can use a white chocolate, the choice is entirely yours. Also, when you melt the chocolate, never ever put any liquid inside the chocolate. Let the chocolate melt just on its own into a bowl. There are different ways of melting chocolate. Commercially in restaurants, what we do is we make a double boiler. So we have a pot of water and then we rest the chocolate bowl on top of the water. But you never touch the water with the bowl. It's just the heat from the water makes the chocolate soft and it melts the fats down and then you stir it together. I find for domestic use and for home use, the easiest way is to put the bowl with chocolate chips or the grated chocolate into the microwave at approximately 800 watt power or 1000 watt power at 30-second intervals. So put it for 30 seconds, you take it out, you check if the chocolate melted. If not, you put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds or 40 seconds till the chocolate melts. Now once the chocolate melts, only then do you put a spatula or a spoon inside to stir it together. So this now goes into the microwave. The chocolate has now melted and all I do is I stir it with a spoon. And you see that? It just melts like butter. You stir it together till it becomes nice and smooth. Once the chocolate has all smoothened up together, I'm going to now shape it into a lollipop. For that, I have a plastic sheet. You can use a greaseproof paper or a butter paper. That works perfectly fine. And the technique is, how do you make the lollipop? It's a very simple technique. The trick of making the chocolate lollipop is very easy. You drop the chocolate onto your plastic sheet or your butter paper and then spread it with the back of the spoon till it's nice and circular and flat. So here we go, watch. In the center, and then with the back of the spoon, just go outside from center to the outside. Got one. Drop it all in. The bottom of the spoon. Spread it outside. Now to shape the lollipops, I have these plastic sticks. Press them down firmly into the chocolate. And I'm going to garnish that with cashew nut. So I've got one with cashew. I'll do one with sesame. Now these then go into a cool part of your kitchen or into the fridge for a good 20 minutes for the chocolate to harden. And what you will get is a very nice flavored chocolate lollipop. The chocolate has come from the fridge and it has firmed up. When it firms up, it easily comes off from the sheet. You can see that. Okay, so this is now ready, and I'm going to plate it up, or rather serve it up. And what I have here is something quite unusual and different. I've got a jam jar, or I've got a yogurt jar with different lentils here, and this holds the base for the chocolate. Normally in the restaurant we serve these as petit fours or as chocolate treats at the end of the meal. And they're real nice pick-me-ups. I've got a sesame, I've got a cashew, I've got a coconut, so here we are. Very simple, very easy to make. You can make them and keep them in the fridge and take it out when a guest come in. So my chocolate lollipops, make sure you try them at home, make it for your friends and family, and until next time, happy cooking.